Did someone share a PDF with you, but you can't copy, can't type, can't edit, or even print it? That usually happens when the PDF is protected with restrictions. But don't worry, if you're facing these issues, there's a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you how to remove PDF restrictions safely and regain full access in just a few minutes.
But first, let's understand what PDF restrictions are. PDF restrictions are security permissions set by the owner to control actions like editing, copying, printing, and page extract. They're used to protect documents from misuse or unauthorized changes. Common types of PDF restrictions. Editing prevents modifying or adding content. Copying blocks text, image, or data copying. Printing disables printing the PDF. Form filling and signing stops filling or signing forms. Page extraction prevents extracting pages. Document assembly blocks rearranging or creating new PDFs.
PDF restrictions are useful for securing data, but unnecessary restrictions can become frustrating. Now, why you need to remove PDF restrictions? Removing restrictions makes the PDF easier to access and use. It allows legitimate users to edit, copy, print, comment, and sign the document. Unrestricted PDFs also improve collaboration and make sharing and managing files much simpler. Now that you understand the benefits of removing PDF restrictions, let's look at the 5 best ways to remove them. Method 1. Using online PDF tools. You can remove PDF restrictions using free online websites. While these tools are easy to use, they're not safe for sensitive documents. Uploading files online can risk data leakage, tampering, and formatting issues. For better security, offline or advanced tools are recommended. Method 2. Using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a professional tool that can easily remove PDF restrictions. However, it's a paid software with costly subscription plans, making it less suitable for users who need to process multiple or large PDF files regularly. Method 3. Using Chrome browser. Browsers like Google Chrome can help remove basic PDF restrictions without data loss. However, this method doesn't work if printing is disabled and doesn't support bulk files. It's best suited for quick, manual tasks. Method 4. Using Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge offers a free way to bypass basic PDF restrictions. While it's useful for quick tasks, it doesn't support advanced permissions and works only on single files. It's also time-consuming and not suitable for handling large volumes of PDFs. Method 5. Using SysTools PDF Restriction Remover. SysTools PDF Unlocker is mainly designed to unlock and remove restrictions from PDFs. Moreover, the software is commonly known as PDF Restriction Remover. It's a secure, reliable, and cost-effective tool with a one-time purchase, making it ideal for users who need to handle multiple PDFs efficiently. Let's see how to do it. You can find the download link in the description. This is the interface of the SysTools PDF Restriction Remover tool. Click Add Files and select the restricted PDF files, then click Open. All selected PDFs will appear in the Selected Files list. Next, make sure Save is selected under the destination path. The default export location is the desktop, but you can change it by clicking Change. Once everything is set, click Unlock at the bottom to start the process. After the PDFs are successfully unlocked, click OK. You can then click the blue export path to open the output folder. Now open any PDF to verify the results. Click the Menu button in the top left corner, then go to Protection, Security Properties. As you can see, all PDF restrictions have been successfully removed.
Using these methods, you can remove PDF restrictions. However, we recommend using the SysTools PDF Restrictions Remover. Online tools may risk data privacy since files are uploaded to servers, and many other solutions are expensive subscription-based tools. SysTools PDF Unlocker works completely offline, keeping your data secure. It's a one-time, affordable purchase with lifetime use and supports both Windows and macOS. After removing restrictions, you can easily edit, share, and access your PDFs on any device.